All right, thanks for joining me. So the first step, we're going to create a rectangle. This just depends on the size of your zero clearance plate on your table saw. And I think some of these methods can be used in other creations. So we've got our measurements. Now we're going to go down for our radius tool. You're just going to select the radius you want and then click on each of the four corners. This took me a little bit of trial and error. I did a lot of test cuts with 1/8" Baltic birch. Now we're drawing a rectangular box, and I wanted it to be 2 inches wide, and it's because I want to make some holes that are 2 inches from the edge. So this is the method I came up with, and it worked. I'm sure there's a better method. So that gives me a 2-inch spacing from the right edge. Now I'm going to make some 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch boxes. And drag those where they need to go. This is so that my holes are going to be a 1/4 inch from the edge of the insert. If you have a better method of spacing that, please let me know in the comments. I'm always liking or wanting to learn how to use Lightburn better. And here we're just drawing the 0.10 circle. This is for my screw holes for the alignment. I'm sorry, for my adjustment screws. So we're going to put those two alignment holes or adjustment holes where they go. Then we're going to switch sides, go to the left side of the zero clearance insert. And on the left side, the measurement's a little different. We're trying to be 2.5 inches away from the edge, from the left edge. And this all varies based on your table saw or whatever you're trying to make. One of the last steps is to create a 3/4 inch hole. This is a finger hole so that we can pull the board up. And we're just placing that where we want to go. Thanks for watching. If you want to see me actually cut this out and some of the table saw work, here's the next video. One of the last things is to make a 3/4 inch circle. And this is so that you can pull this up from the table saw. Now your speed and your cutting power are all going to be different, so don't look at the settings on my laser. Thanks for watching. Here's the next video on how I actually cut this out.